Yep, so these are onion seeds. Onion seeds that we can use to plant for, we can use to grow onions for next season. So I'm just gonna show you how we harvest it, and we can use it to plant next season. So we're just gonna take the seeds out and separate them from the stem. As you see here, some of the seeds that fell during the growing season, once the seed got matured, and some of them fell on the ground, they're already coming out. So as you see right there, more seeds, some of the seeds that fell on the ground. So we're gonna be able to plant those, and should be able to get more onion seeds from the seeds that we have it harvesting now. The onions we have so we're gonna use a tray like this and just put them in the tray. And just take out all the seeds from the stem by rubbing it together like that. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And that's what you have for seeds. So now we're going to let it dry for a couple of days. Make sure it's completely dry, then we can sift it and put it in a sealed bag for next year. Okay, it's been a couple of days now since we had our onion. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just pour it in the plastic. Get a newspaper. Get a newspaper like this and just put it on the newspaper, or cardboard, or any paper. Just put it on the paper with the. Then you just take out the excess chaffs. You can just take out the excess chaff like that. Then what we want to do now is just fold the paper. Just want to fold it. Fold it like that. So you have it on paper like that. So next thing you want to do is you want to get a Ziploc bag like this, and you want to write name of the seed and the year, so that way you know when the seed was harvested. So what you want to do is you want to get a Ziploc bag or plastic bag like this, and write the name of the seed and the year the seed was harvested, so that way you know when the seed was harvested and saved. So now we're just gonna put this in a bag and just seal it and save it for next year. There you go. Now you don't have to buy onion seeds. You can use this for next year. You can use the seeds for next year or the year after. Some seeds you can use for a couple of years, like 3-4 years later. Just save it in a warm, dry area, and you can use it for next year. Okay, that's it for today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can get updated on new videos that come out regularly every week. Thanks for watching, and have a fabulous day.